Right, folks, this is purely an announcement. It's nothing important, except, of course, that if you look, there is now a join button. You can become a Jesterite. Okay? So it's partially to do with the bloody monetization thing and the advertising thing, because I say stuff and they don't like it. Right? So if you want to, you don't have to, but if you want to, you can join and you'll get videos in advance with no adverts. Okay? You'll get other videos that everybody else won't see, which are going to be about training and learning and stuff. Yeah, going to be about teaching you some stuff, right? And yeah, you can subscribe now, which means I don't have to worry about the fact that the first 24 hours will be without adverts. I like the idea that it's without adverts, okay? So I put it at the lowest level they could let me do it, right? $2.99, okay? Because it's the lowest level. And I just think for some of you, this might be preferable. So all that's going to happen is you'll get them 24 hours beforehand. You'll get access to stuff that doesn't relate directly to the subject we're all interested in. And yeah, we'll see how we go. Jesterites, so it'll be like a little community. We can chat to each other. It'll be amazing. So I'm really looking forward to see whether anybody bothers to do it. If not, don't worry. If it's just one of you, I'll keep doing stuff that you could see. So I'm not bothered. So I thought, how can I con you into how can I con you into getting on board? So I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to do this, but I'm going to do it anyway, right? So I'm going to give it a few days, right? So the first what should we say? The first few days, first 3 days. Let's give it the first 3 days, so 72 hours, right? Those that join in the first 72 hours, I'm going to randomly pick one of you at the end of the 72 hours and send you a 20 quid Amazon voucher. Now that's pure bribery and corruption. I think, is it? I don't know, you tell me. But anyway, this is just a short hello, howdy do, to say you can now become a Jesterite. You can now join the channel and then not have to worry about the adverts so much, except when it's an important announcement. When it's an important announcement like what's being done by Riley Gaines, or something happens that's really important, then that'll go out immediately to alert people. But that would be something that would need support and people to get involved, rather than the general musings that I do. There'll also be some exclusive documentaries and stuff that I find with a historic significance to certain things. But I'm not going to stick to just what the Jester does. So if you want to become a Jesterite, you're going to get more than just me doing my rambling bits. What do you reckon? Am I an idiot? Am I a money-grubbing shuckster? Am I grifting the money from you? I don't know. But if you enjoy what I do and you want to keep me going, become a Jesterite. Because it's the next best thing from becoming a warrior teacher, and not everybody can do that. Become a Jesterite, all right? And come and see what we're up to. I'll see you later.